What if I told you that the future of investing isn't just human, it's AI-driven? Imagine a system that analyzes millions of data points in seconds, predicts market trends with precision, and automates investments with laser accuracy. AI is revolutionizing the way we grow wealth, and in this video we're diving into the cutting-edge world of AI-powered investment strategies. From algorithmic trading to robo-advisors, get ready to discover how artificial intelligence is changing the game and how you can use it to your advantage. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the basics. Artificial intelligence, or AI, uses complex algorithms to process vast amounts of data at lightning speed. Unlike us humans, AI doesn't suffer from emotional bias or fatigue. It can analyze market trends, economic indicators, and even social media sentiment around the clock. Now imagine having an AI assistant that can sift through millions of data points and provide you with the best investment options. That's what AI-powered investment strategies are all about. They help you make more informed decisions by predicting market movements more accurately than ever before. But how does it actually work? AI uses machine learning models to identify patterns and trends that might not be immediately obvious. These models are trained on historical data, and as they process more information, they get smarter and more accurate. For instance, AI can spot a stock that's about to skyrocket before anyone else does. And let's not forget about risk management. AI can assess your risk tolerance and suggest portfolios that align with your investment goals. It can even rebalance your portfolio automatically to ensure you're always in the best position. So, why should investors care? Well, the potential for higher returns and reduced risk is a game changer. Plus, AI-powered strategies are becoming more accessible to everyday investors, not just Wall Street pros. To sum it up, AI is leveling the playing field. It's making investing smarter, faster, and more efficient. If you're not already considering AI in your investment strategy, now's the time to start. Now let's talk about some AI investment strategies that are making waves. Robo-advisors. These automated platforms build and manage portfolios based on your risk tolerance. Examples: Betterment, Wealthfront. AI-driven stock analysis. Platforms like AlphaSense and Trade Ideas use AI to detect market trends before human analysts do. Sentiment analysis. AI scans news, social media, and financial reports to predict stock movements based on public sentiment. High-frequency trading, HFT, AI, makes rapid trades in milliseconds to capitalize on tiny market fluctuations. Now, how can you start using AI in your investment strategy? Choose an AI-powered investment platform, research tool like Bloomberg Terminal, Zacks AI, or AI-driven trading apps. Use AI for market research. Tools like Kensho and Edge help investors spot trends early. One last very important point. Ensure you combine AI with human intuition. AI is powerful, but the best investors use it as a tool, not a replacement for strategy and judgment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on the way AI is transforming the investment world, making it smarter, faster, and more efficient. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, leveraging AI can give you an edge in the market.